Pop your tail and shine your seashells. It's time for the magical mermaid episode of Your Comments Come to Life. Here's what you wanted to see. Katerina Elva Pujirahayan said,
I want to see a mermaid swim in the slime. Help! Let me out! It's so slimy! And that's how you make DIY mermaid slime. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.
Michaela Friedman said,
I want to see a mermaid try to put on pants. Please, 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 please do this.
Time to try on pants. What could go wrong? Oops, sorry. Excuse me, lady. Whoopsie. Car. Coming through. Coming through. My bad. I should have gone with extra large.
Mimi Ray 5 said,
I want to see a mermaid riding a narwhal through outer space. Whoa!
It's a ride, Rob. You saved me, Magic Mermaid. Not so, my dude. The real mermaid was inside you the whole time.
Huh. Wait, what does that even mean?
Lot of Kiwi wrote,
I want to see a unicorn family go on vacation to the beach, and when they touch the water, they turn into mermaid unicorns.
Here we are, Magic Ocean Cove.
Oh, Mom, it happened again. Can we get a new beach ball?
hooray!
Oh, Mom.
Michelle Terry wrote,
I want a mermaid to ride a motorcycle.
Mermaids are stupid.
You got a problem with mermaids?
No.
That's what I thought, punk. Now, who's up for a swim? Mermaids. We ride together, dive together.
next week our theme is pranks. So if you want your comment featured, subscribe to DreamWorks TV by clicking that big blue button that says Click Me. You should always do what buttons tell you. Then comment below with your funniest idea involving pranks, like a robot pranking an alien with a fake snake, or a whoopee cushion that falls in love with a fart, or a kitten that pranks a puppy while wearing a sombrero.
It's not the prank, bro.